We are here in Mesa at the newest single-wide acquisitions. So I want to take you guys through it real quick. Got a nice new deck built out. So we have master here, pretty much same generic finishes that you guys see. It's new doors, white paint, black finishes, black fixtures. Here we have, once again, white quartz countertops, just regular kind of shaker cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Nice living space here. Have your activities and everything like that. And then second bedroom. This home is boasting 2 bathrooms. So we have the second bathroom, which kind of actually is a part of the bedroom, so that's awesome. So full 2-bed, 2-bath, a little under 1,000 square feet to own the mobile, own the land, affixed to the land, probably right around $250,000. I mean, where else are you finding this type of affordability having a product like this?